Okay, now time for our second video. This is your stem and leaf plot, and you've already answered the 3 questions, but now we're going to check over them to see if you got them right, okay? The first question says the most common number of shots taken is 30. So this was about different players on a basketball team at practice, how many shots they attempted, right? How many times they shot the basketball. So the most common is 30. What's another word for the most common number? It's mode. Okay, and so that is absolutely correct. I see 3 30s on here. There are 2 21s, 2 16s, and 2 49s, but there are 3 30s. So this is true. So on your paper, make for sure you showed me somehow how you know it's true. Okay, the next one says the range of the number of shots taken is 27. So remember, range is the difference between the biggest and smallest. So I'm going to say 49 minus 12. So 49 minus 12 is range. So it's 37. Whoa. That should be 37 and not 27, right? 49 and 12 would be 37. So that is false. It's not 27. Okay, the last one here says the interquartile range of the number of shots taken is 20. So we need the IQR. Okay, sorry about that. Someone needed to leave. Okay, so now I have the numbers written out. Okay, and double check and make for sure you have all of them. I had an odd number of points here, okay? So for the interquartile range, I need to find my median. Okay, I'm going to do it like this. It's going to make it a little bit harder when I find the quartiles, but it's okay. We can handle it. I mark them out in pairs, so I get down to one number in the middle. Okay, I'll underline those, X on those. Uh-oh, my median is 30. So if I were to draw a box plot, my median would be somewhere at 30. Now, my interquartile range, I need to look at the lower quartile here, okay? This was my median right here, okay? Now, if I want to look at this half of the numbers, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. So I need to know what is the middle number of these. I know it's kind of hard when I have, I've already made marks on them, so I'm just going to use this in a different color now and mark them out, okay? Hope it's not too confusing, because I do have different colors and layers now of these. Okay, so now my quartile 1 is a 21. My quartile 1 is a 21. So I'm going to do the same thing over here at my quartile 3. Okay, so I'm going to start right over here on the right side of this one. And I'm going to mark out these numbers one at a time. Okay. Okay, so now we have a 42 on this side. So quartile 3 is a 42. So what I do to find my interquartile range, this would be at a 42 and this would be at a 21. My interquartile range is subtracting them. Okay, if I'm building a box plot here, the smallest number was a 12 and then a 49. But as I'm going through these, all I want to know, my interquartile range just tells me how far apart these ends are on this box. So it's 42 minus 21, and that is 21. So you know what? That is a false statement because this says 20. Okay? So that is false.